What's up guys, my name is Ashraf Khan and you're watching Strike and Pocket English Carrom Learning YouTube channel. In this video I am going to teach you pair, wrong pair and advanced wrong pair. Before that I wanted to tell you, if you want to buy carrom board stand, lampshade stand, coin set, striker, powder, carrom and carrom cover, anything and everything related to carrom board, you can buy from mycarrom.com. mycarrom.com is the official web store of the Strike and pair and wrong pair. If the two carromins are placed in the line of the pocket and there is the gap in between two carromin, so this is the pair stroke. This is the ideal position of the pair. And if this carromin is not in line of the pocket, it means this carromin, if this carromin is here or here, this is not in line of the pocket, so this is the wrong pair. So for playing pair and wrong pair, the technique is same. If I talk about the pair, it is super easy. You don't have to do anything. You just have to play this one and this will go into the pocket. Nothing, no need to worry about it. But when you are playing the wrong pair, that time what you have to do, you have to think. You have to, identify the right point of contact. The technique is same for the pair and wrong pair. What is the technique? You have to draw an imaginary line from the pocket, extend that imaginary line from the center of the carromin, and this is the point of contact. You can consider this is your pocket. You have to play this carromin on this point. When you are playing the pair or maybe wrong pair, that time you have to apply little bit more force, because if you see, if you are connecting carromin with the striker, coin will travel more. But if you are connecting carromin on the carromin, carromin will not travel more because it doesn't have that much stroke. So what you have to do, again, technique is draw an imaginary line from the pocket, extend that line from the center of the carromin, again draw imaginary line from this point, extend that line from the center of this second carromin as well, and apply force little bit more comparatively when you are playing straight carromin. So now we'll see some more and more strokes so you can learn pair and wrong pair in detail. So that's it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new from this video. If you guys found this video useful for you, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also consider subscribing this channel and click on that bell icon so that you will get the notifications from this channel, because I do upload Carrom related videos. And if you are looking for buying anything Carrom related stuff, you can consider buying from mycarrom.com. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep playing and keep loving Carrom. Bye bye and see you in the next one.